Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix too many requests in ChatGPT. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So firstly, I'm going to do is I'm going to open AI's website. So when you have come here, then I'm just going to scroll all the way down until you can see where it says status. So click here because you need to actually check if everything okay with the open AI like system, and if it says like this all systems like operational but you are still getting that like error message, well then keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So basically what you have to do is you have to log out from ChatGPT, and now when you have logged out from your ChatGPT account, then simply click on this login again and try and see if that actually work or not. If that still does not solve your issue, you need to click on these three dots right here as you can see, and in here you need to click where it says settings. First click on settings, and then I'm using Google Chrome, just and in here what you need to do firstly is to click where it says privacy and security, and then you need to basically click right here where it says clear browsing data, and I'm just going to click on cookies here and just select cookies and then click on clear data and basically try this. And if it still does not work for you, well then what you can do is obviously just switch to another browser and see if that work. For example, if you are using like Firefox or any other browser out there, then you can just switch to Google Chrome for example, or yeah, any browser that you like to switch to basically, and see if that will actually solve your issue. If that still does not solve your issue, well then probably like you have just written way too many like messages in ChatGPT and you need to wait a couple of like minutes for it to work again. And sometimes unfortunately it takes couple of hours, but wait at least 1 hour and try it again and see if that works or not. So yeah, basically that is exactly how to fix this. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.